Authentic Mexican coffee recipe. Raider G's delicious brew. Hey there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to the Raider G channel. Today, we're going on a flavorful journey to Mexico to explore the world of Mexican coffee. Get ready to savor the rich, aromatic, and slightly spicy flavors of this delightful brew. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join our coffee community. Let's dive right in. Ingredients: freshly roasted coffee beans, medium or dark roast. Cinnamon sticks. Mexican chocolate, Abuelita or Ibarra brands work great. Ground cinnamon. Sweetened condensed milk. Water. Instructions. Step 1. Preparing your coffee beans. Start with high-quality coffee beans. Grind them to a medium coarse consistency, similar to what you'd use for a French press. This grind size is perfect for capturing all the delicious flavors of Mexican coffee. Step 2. Brewing your coffee. Now, we're going to brew our coffee. For this recipe, we'll use a French press. Add your coffee grounds to the press, followed by hot water. Use a water-to-coffee ratio of 1:15. Let it steep for about 4 minutes. Step 3. Preparing the Mexican chocolate. While your coffee is brewing, let's prepare the Mexican chocolate. Break a piece of Mexican chocolate into a saucepan, add a cinnamon stick, and pour in about half a cup of water. Step 4. Melting the chocolate. Gently heat the mixture over low heat. Stir continuously until the chocolate and cinnamon stick are fully dissolved. This step infuses your coffee with that classic Mexican chocolate flavor. Step 5. Combining coffee and chocolate. Once your coffee has steeped for 4 minutes, slowly pour it into your chocolate mixture while continuing to stir. This step ensures a harmonious fusion of flavors. Step 6. Sweetening your Mexican coffee. To sweeten your Mexican coffee, add sweetened condensed milk to taste. Start with a couple of tablespoons and adjust according to your preference. Stir until well combined. Step 7. Serving. It's time to serve your Mexican coffee. Pour it into your favorite mug and sprinkle a pinch of ground cinnamon on top for that extra touch of flavor and aroma. And there you have it, a delightful cup of authentic Mexican coffee that's bursting with flavor. The combination of cinnamon, chocolate, and sweetened condensed milk creates a unique and comforting brew that's perfect for any time of day. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it with your coffee-loving friends. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions. Thanks for joining me on this coffee adventure. If you want more exciting coffee recipes and reviews, make sure to subscribe to Raider G, your go-to channel for all things coffee. Until next time, brew it up and enjoy. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.